All right, y'all. A crippling ice and snowstorm swept across a large portion of the country over the weekend. Almost a million Americans woke up without power this morning as heavy snow, freezing rain, and ice caused major disruptions nationwide. NBC's Emily Akeda is in New York City with more.
Hey there. Well, officials are calling this winter storm an Arctic siege. You can see my breath. You can see the snow. Nearly a foot of snow dumped here on Central Park, making it the largest snowstorm New York City has seen in some 5 years. And that light, fluffy stuff we saw falling yesterday, well, it has turned icy. Look at me picking this up. The consistency, it's heavy because of the freezing rain and the frigid cold temperatures that we saw. Now, blankets of snow, there are scenes like this across the country. Philadelphia seeing more than 9 inches of snow. In Providence, Rhode Island, we're looking at around a foot of snow. And in Boston, 16 inches and counting. Tragically, officials say so far 9 people have died in the storm. And today, hundreds of thousands of people are waking up and experiencing these bitter cold temperatures without power because the weight of the snow, and in parts of the region, up to an inch of ice, snapping tree branches and power lines, wreaking havoc in homes, but also on the roadways. In New York State, hundreds of accidents were reported yesterday alone, and we're also seeing that mess at America's airports. More than 4,000 flight cancellations and delays have been reported so far today. That comes on the heels of 17,000 plus flight disruptions yesterday. And the conditions are also prompting school cancellations across the country, from Memphis to Atlanta, from Philadelphia to Boston. And those cancellations could linger for a couple more days because of these bitter cold temperatures. In parts of New York State, people have experienced minus 30 plus degrees in temperatures. We're talking about actual temperatures. That's why officials are saying to bundle up if you're heading out the door today. Back to you.